Hey guys, episode 52 of the crypto series. So, bit of a recovery week this week, back from last week's low, up about 21,000. Been fairly good, fairly broad across all the coins. The news, saw a few bits of news, but probably most important to me was the difficulty drop. So, a lot of the hash rate has been coming down since the Chinese miners are shutting off, and I think the media doesn't sort of make this point clear enough that the difficulty isn't sort of programmed to go up indefinitely. Seen some people sort of suggest that before. If the hash rate drops, then the difficulty can come down as well. So the miners that stay on board should do well. So my sort of Argo blockchain in the ISA, obviously they're profitable even at $33,000 Bitcoin. Now they will find it a lot easier and have their costs reduced, so they should mine more. And hopefully, if the price goes up later on, they'll have mined a lot at quite a low price. Or quite a low difficulty rather, so they make a lot of profit when they're mining at the moment. So pretty good. I thought it was good news. Just looking at the coins, so Bitcoin's 8% up. Obviously that's contributed a fair amount to the move, but Ethereum actually sort of producing incredible week, really, 26%, which, being the second largest, you don't often see these sort of big moves anymore. That used to be in Ethereum's sort of earlier days. Cardano sort of in the middle, about 13%, pretty good. Litecoin, sort of similar to Cardano, 13%. OMG, nice, 27%. So slightly better than Ethereum. XLM, 8%, bit of a slow week, and XRP about 11%. Quite surprised to see their lawsuit with the SEC sort of going remarkably well, apparently. People are sort of expecting there may be a settlement, a sort of very, very favourable settlement offered to Ripple, and could all be over before long. Really not going well for the SEC, apparently. Tron, 8%, one of the lowest. EOS, 15%. Pretty good. Basic Attention Token, 15%. Power Ledger has been the biggest mover of the week, 65% up. So this has obviously had a much bigger drop than the other coins. So on the sort of 3 months, they're still down 61%, even at today's prices. But nice recovery. I haven't bought any on the dip. I've been buying my low cap coins, but good to see it recovering. Dash 14%, so not too bad. And then the smaller altcoins, I haven't bought any this week because I'm pretty much skint on cash. But they're sort of having a reasonable week. 11% on Anchor, 23% on Band. It's pretty good. Quantstamp, 14%. Cocos, 6%. Still bugged. It goes right down to the bottom and says I've lost everything, which I haven't. And New Cipher, 6% as well. So the little small caps aren't sort of going wild, with the exception of Band Protocol. So that's the portfolio for the week. So we'll see where we go from here. Still sort of, like I say, got to be patient. I'm probably expecting sort of towards the end of the year, at least sort of Q4 to be really getting an all-time high in and start selling some more. But probably won't be making any buys in the next week unless it sort of crashes again. So we'll just let it run. So leave your thoughts in the comments below, and like and subscribe. See you soon.